If you are a student or a young adult, please be aware that unless you've been charged with a minor infraction, something like speeding or a seatbelt violation, most everything else under North Carolina law is actually a crime in our state, and it gives you at least a misdemeanor, if not a felony record. So please make sure before you wander into court with a friend on a lark, stand up before a judge and plead guilty and find yourself on probation with fines, court cost, community service, and then a criminal record that can keep you from getting a job for the foreseeable future. Pick up the phone and call me and ask me what you need to do. I'll be happy to tell you if it's a crime. I'll be happy to tell you what can be done to give you some idea as to what the costs are that are involved in it. And then if we can work out some kind of deferred prosecution, if indeed the state has a good case, if it's something we need to fight, I'm the first one to be ready, willing, and able to run into court, fight a case for my client. Because this day and age, I mean, in years past, you could have trouble and things just didn't really get found and all. Now we have computer records that go back 20, 30 years or more. So please be very, very careful. Don't think you can just run into court, do a little song and dance in front of a judge and walk away and not have it impact you forever. I have people call my client virtually every week, sometimes day in and day out, saying, hey, I got this little charge on my record, a little drug charge, and I'm trying to go into the service, I'm trying to get a job, whatever, and it's holding me up. What can you do to help me? And sometimes I have to tell people, look, it's a charge that's going to be on there for at least 15 years, maybe the rest of your life. If you had gotten some good legal advice when it first happened, I could have helped you there. So please be very careful. All it takes is a phone call to somebody like me that knows how the law works, that can tell you if you need to worry about it and what needs to be done and how you can be helped. Because we've got a lot of situations, even in the worst case scenario, where you've done something and you are in trouble, where if you've got a clean record otherwise or haven't been in much trouble, you might rate a deferred prosecution. There might be any number of things that can be done. So please, don't go into court on your own and do something stupid. At least pick up the phone, give me a call, and let me advise you. I am always happy to help.